At Bayer, we care for farmers worldwide, ensuring safety, sustainability, and trust in the entire process of farming. Let us discuss how to transport pesticides safely and ensure protection of users, communities, and the environment. Use secure vehicles, ensure transport occurs in a well-ventilated, locked vehicle, and notify drivers of CPPs in their vehicle. Follow regulations, comply with local laws on registered pesticides and quantity limits. Label clearly. Mark storage boxes to indicate hazardous contents. Transport in original containers. Keep pesticides in their original containers, with seals intact, to ensure authenticity and prevent counterfeits. Store away from personal items and passenger spaces. Minimize exposure by wearing gloves and avoiding direct contact. And keep pesticides separate from food or water in the vehicle. Protect containers. Shield from sharp objects, direct sunlight, and extreme temperatures. Secure containers. Seal tightly and use sturdy carriers to prevent leaks. Prepare for spills. Keep a spill kit on hand for quick cleanup. Keep first aid supplies. Carry emergency medical kits for accidental exposure. Plan safe routes. Choose roads with low traffic and smooth conditions to reduce risk. Limit quantities. Transport only necessary amounts to minimize hazards. Following these best practices ensures safe pesticide transport while protecting health and the environment.